Hey everyone! Christmas is just around the corner, so today let's make a snow globe. You will need a mason jar, some glitter, a cup of warm water, some Christmas ornaments, some clear glue, a stirring stick, as well as a hot glue gun. Let's begin! First, let's glue the ornaments to the base of the jar using a hot glue gun. Let's mix some glue into our cup of warm water. Once that's done, time to pour in the glitter into the warm water. Once it's all mixed up, pour the water into the jar. Once that's all done, put some glue around the mouth of the jar and close it shut with the cover. Once you're done, here you have your very own snow globe. Give it a shake to see the magic. If you like this video, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button to see more. Bye bye!